Hey guys, this is Kevin from JazTime.com, and today we'll be reviewing the Rolex Datejust 31, reference number 178271. We'll be going over the price, the dial, bezel, case, crown, bracelet, clasp, and we'll talk about the movement towards the end of the video. Okay, so as of April 2018, you can get this watch from an authorized Rolex retailer for $11,400. But of course, here at JazTime.com, we always strive to have the best prices anywhere online, so give our website a thorough look through for the most up-to-date pricing. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. So with a Datejust, very basic dial structure, which is we have the hour markers, Rolex crown logo at the 12 o'clock position, and the date window at the 3 o'clock position with a Cyclops lens on top of that sapphire crystal for magnification, easier viewing of that date. Typically, Rolex Datejust is always follow that same structure of just having those things that I mentioned. Specifically for this dial configuration I have in my hand here, we have diamond hour markers fashioned in 18 karat rose gold, or as Rolex likes to call ever rose gold. Ever rose gold is a Rolex in-house made rose gold that has a different metal combination to make that rose gold look. So specifically, rose gold is typically made out of about 70–80% gold with different alloys added into it, mainly copper being added in to have that sort of reddish look to the gold, which makes it look like a rose gold. Specifically for Rolex, they've added platinum to the mixture to help keep that rose gold look on their watches throughout its lifetime, whereas other rose golds will fade over time because of that, because it's just that mixture of gold and copper together, and the color will fade over time. But Rolex, the engineers at Rolex, added platinum to the mix, and now that's why they call it the Ever Rose, because this color that you see on the bezel, the bracelet, and around the hour markers, that color won't fade over time. So specifically for dial configurations, Datejusts are known for having different dial styles. The dial style I have in my hand, once again, is the diamond hour markers with a pink dial, pink sunburst dial. As you can see, as light hits it, you kind of see sort of etches of rays, almost looks like when it shines against the dial. That's what's called the sunburst dial. It looks even greater in sunlight as well. So if you're interested in a pink dial though, there's also the silver, white or black dial colors with diamond hour markers. If you're not feeling too luxurious, you want to kind of tone it down, take a step back. The watch also comes in index hour markers or Roman numerals, and that can come in either the silver or pink for index hour markers, and for Roman numerals you're looking at pink, white, purple, or brown dial color. If you're feeling you want to take a step above and be even more luxurious for a little more higher retail pricing, you can also get the diamond hour markers with a mother of pearl dial, and the mother of pearl dial can either be a white mother of pearl or dark mother of pearl. Okay, besides that, I forgot to mention the hands as well. The hour hand and the minute hand, along with the seconds hand, is all 18 karat ever rose gold as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the bezel now. Bezel, very simple, fixed fluted bezel. That bezel matches with that sunburst dial. As you can see, when light hits that bezel, the light shines differently all around the bezel, giving a nice eye full when you look at the watch head on. So be quite a head turner once you walk by, have the sunlight hit that sunburst dial, hit that fluted bezel, and have that nice sparkle on the face. Of course, the diamonds also help with that with its own sparkle as well. So just absolutely gorgeous watch for her. Moving on to the case size. The case size is a 31mm watch. So from my index finger to my thumb here, that's 31mm in diameter. From the side view, you can see it doesn't look too high. It's actually quite small and slim on the slim side. For the height, it will fit under suit cuffs, dress cuffs very nicely, or dress cuffs as well. But also, besides that, it has a nice high polish on the side of the case that patterns very nicely with the bracelet. And you can see from the lugs as well, that's all it goes to the lugs. Nice high polish on the lugs of the case. So from the top, you can see the nice high polish. Bottom, nice high polish, and even onto the other side of the case with the crown, we have nice high polish patterning as well. The Rolex crown logo on its 18 karat ever rose gold crown, Serves very simple functions. It's a screw down to unlock double waterproofness system that unscrews counterclockwise, as shown. In the standard position, this is where you can wind the watch. 15 to 20 times clockwise is all you need to get this watch started from a dead stop. A simple tugging of the crown will put you in the next position, which will allow you to adjust the date at the 3 o'clock position. Just by going counterclockwise as shown, you can see how quickly, very easily you can adjust that date. And to the final position, you'll be able to adjust the time. Keep your eye out on the seconds hand, as when you pull the crown out to the final position, that does stop the seconds hand or the hacking movement. And that allows for precise time settings, such as to an atomic clock online. You can set it down to the exact seconds, and you can see both hands move bidirectionally very easily, very simply. Once you're done with setting the time, always make sure press the crown in against the case. That'll start the seconds hand or the hack movement once more, and screw it nice and tight in against the case, as it will keep the watch nice and protected and keep the watch water resistance for up to 100 meters or 330 feet. Moving on to the bracelet now. The bracelet configuration I have is the Oyster style bracelet, which is a very nice bracelet that's made of 3-piece links. The outer of the 3-piece links is a nice 904L steel or satin finish steel that's in-house made by Rolex, that has additional shine and corrosion resistance. In between those two links, we have the nice 18 karat rose gold, 18 karat ever rose gold once more, nicely high polish down the center to match with the high polish from the bezel and the lugs. It patterns throughout the whole bracelet as well. Even going to the clasp, you can see the clasp follows that same structure once more, and all the way to the other side of the bracelet, same thing. Okay. Of course, if you don't like the Oyster bracelet for Datejust, for this specific Datejust, it also comes on the Jubilee bracelet as well, which is a 5-piece link bracelet. So a different option for the bracelet is available as well. The clasp, as we move on, is just a very simple clasp. It's just a folding Oyster clasp, opens up as so, revealing these nicely high polished clasp blades with the Rolex name embossed on there. So once again, I'll show you. Clasp closed. You can see a clasp hidden behind the bracelet as so, and opened up once more. All right, so let's go ahead and move on to the movement now. The movement is housed in this very simple Oyster case backing, nice beautiful high polish around the edge of the case back, nice flutedness to the edge as well, and then satin finish at the very back portion of it. The movement itself is a caliber 2235 movement in-house made by Rolex. It has a precision of -2 + 2 seconds a day, so it's within the specs, our CSC certification. The functions of the movement, very simple functions. It's just the center, hour, minute, and seconds hand, instantaneous changing of the date with rapid setting, and stopping of the seconds hand for precise time setting. So very simple functions. And the power reserve of this watch, you're looking at approximately 48 hours. So that means you can put this watch down on a Friday evening, pick it back up on a Sunday evening, and it'll be keeping time just fine. Okay, so let me actually go ahead and show you this watch on my wrist. I did mention this is a watch. This is a watch for the ladies. So with that said, the bracelet is going to be a little bit smaller in size. I do have a 7-inch wrist, which is a average man size wrist. Most Rolex watches come in at 7.5. Actually, this one I believe is 7.5 as well. You can see there's a little extra space between that underneath my wrist there, and there's the watch on the wrist. Okay, so absolutely gorgeous face. Like I said, all that high polish really brings a lot out of the face. The sparkling of the diamonds, the sparkling of the bezel, and the high polish, just shine and reflection off the lugs, just all adds up together and makes a very beautiful frontal face of the watch. That high polish is trimmed down all the way, or is used all the way throughout the bracelet as well, so you never really lose the shine of this watch. This is really eye catcher. This piece is a real eye catcher. Okay, so if you're interested in this model or any other model for the lowest possible price, check out our website at JazTime.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed, and we offer a 1-year warranty. And if you like the video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys soon.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to Model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at JazTime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.